Yo, what's up guys, this man Delson on a beat here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys see from the thumbnail, what I've got for you guys today. So guys, please let's get this video to 500 likes and 150 comment. As you guys see, what I've done for you guys, it's MIDI pack. So you always know that some MIDI packs are always dropped to the second channel. So yeah guys, let's get into the video because I don't want to waste any time, and watch the video until the end because there will be a password on the video. So let's get into the video. So the first thing that I did, it was a MIDI pack. So this is the first MIDI pack that I've done. Let me show you guys. So I hope you guys like what you guys hear from me. So yeah, let's go for the second one. So the second one, wait, let me just do this. I hope you guys like this. Let's play it once more. So I hope you guys like this, and let's go for I hope you guys like that. Let me play it once more. And then let's go for the last but not least. So I hope you guys like what you guys hear. So let's go for bass because I did some bass guitar. So I hope it works. So let me just do this. So yeah, those are the bass. So these are the keys. So let me play this one. So let me play this one now. Let me come here. Okay. go for number 8. So I hope you guys had, and let's go for so yeah, and yeah, guys, if you like this video, please can you like and subscribe, and please don't forget to watch the video until the end as I said it. So yeah, ciao.